Morning traders, I'm Dan Papalona, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures, here to talk about the currencies. We've seen some volatility in the euro and the dollar index, and kind of a range trade ahead of the non-farm payroll tomorrow. This number should give indication of whether or not the Fed can raise rates, whether they can or can't raise rates later on in September or towards the end of the year. The rate market has kind of moved in correlation with what the Atlanta Fed said earlier this week. Fed Lacker, who has been pretty hawkish, especially back in May, where he said that basically they can wait a lot longer to raise rates. It's better to wait than raise too early. But now he's changed his verbiage to say that September is still in the mix. So with that being said, dollar has been moving higher. It's getting closer to resistance. Can we catch that 100.87 on the dollar index where we saw earlier this year? That's still left to be said. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow morning. If you have any questions, feel free. Give me a call. Dan Papalona, Senior Market Strategist.
Suitable for all investors.